Providing quick access to critical information to your patients and internal workers is essential as a healthcare organization. Why is this the need of the hour? According to reports by the Journal of Patient Safety, medical errors cost the healthcare system in the US between $17 billion to $29 billion. Sounds like costing a fortune, right? Not anymore. In just 4 minutes and 40 seconds, we'll show you how Document360 can revolutionize the way your healthcare workers and patients can access accurate healthcare information 24/7. Meet Dr. Smith, a dedicated healthcare professional. With Document360, he can develop and manage treatment protocols, information about medical equipment, process guides, research papers, standard operating procedures, and much more securely, anytime, anywhere. Using the user-friendly interface, Dr. Smith can navigate across multiple formats of healthcare information, ensuring he can focus on serving patients. So with Document360, you can basically access critical information about medicines, rehabilitation, and equipment operations, collaborate better with the team, organize a large volume of information with one platform, host your documentation online 24/7 securely, monitor the knowledge-based health, contributor performance, and user feedback. Collaboration among healthcare teams. Whether it is updating medical records, sharing feedback on existing or new documentation, or collaborating on research projects, the platform ensures seamless communication while maintaining strict data security protocols. Structured authoring. Using Document360, your medical or technical writers can systematically create, organize, and manage information around healthcare equipment, medical symptoms, diagnostic criteria, and treatment options, making it easier for you and your audience to understand. The product offers two world-class editors, Markdown and the advanced WYSIWYG, which help you go beyond content creation with features like optimizing the content for SEO, adding code blocks in various coding languages, adding glossaries to complex terms, including private notes, and much more. Reduce your incoming support inquiries. There is much more to documentation than just sharing information with your readers. It can also encourage them to self-serve. As a result, your documentation can help your medical workers or patients solve their daily queries independently. The result is reduced support ticket inflow. And with Document360's Ticket Deflector feature, you can actually go a step further. Using your reader interaction data, the product asks a few questions, gathers responses, and then sends them to the document explicitly framed to solve their query. Manage different versions or iterations of a document. Your medical protocols and guidelines must be accurate at any time to avoid medical errors. So, tracking the changes made in each document timeline is essential for the admin's reference. With Document360's version control, you can easily track changes, revert to previous versions, and ensure that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information, promoting accuracy and consistency across the board. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what globally recognized healthcare professionals have to say about Document360. Integrate with your day-to-day tools. Now let's talk about how the product can integrate with your day-to-day business intelligence tools. Document360 seamlessly integrates with existing CRMs, chatbot, help desk, and more, ensuring you track data better, manage customer relationships, and increase your customer satisfaction. Having the ability to integrate can also be a real lifesaver if your team offers telemedicine support to patients. This allows them to provide quick answers to patients' questions. Compliance with healthcare regulations. Compliance is non-negotiable in healthcare. Document360 automates compliance management, keeping track of regulatory changes, and ensuring that your healthcare product service documentation always aligns with the latest standards, reducing the risk of legal issues. In a nutshell, with Document360, transform your healthcare experience and empower your medical staff to deliver and update information seamlessly. Sign up for a 14-day free trial and immediately feel the difference in your healthcare documentation process.